Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video from KSTV. And friends, sometimes our friends are a bit of irritating and we just put our phone on the flight mode, but we still want to use the data of our smartphone. So you all might be thinking that is there a way that we can use our mobile data and keep our phone on the flight mode and don't talk with anyone? So keep watching this video till the end friends, and you all will get to know how you can use your mobile data even if you have put your phone on the flight mode. Having been said that, let's get straight into it. So friends, as you can see, let me show you an example. I have just switched on my net. Now I will go to Google Chrome. Here you can see here friends, my net is working. Now I will just turn on the flight mode. Okay, so here is the flight mode. As soon as I turn on the flight mode, my data is by default off. So now friends, how can we turn on our data while we are on the flight mode? So you have to go to the dialer pad. Here you have to type this number, just note it down, star hash 4636 hash star hash and again a star. So just note down this number friends. Now as soon as I type star, now just you can see there this dialog box will appear. So friends, you have to note the point here that are you using the net from the sim 1 or from sim 2. So I am using my net from sim 1, so I will go to phone information 1. So here at the bottom you can see here friends, it is written as cellular radio power. So this is by default off, so you have to turn on this. Okay, as soon as I turn on this, and now as soon as I turn on that, I can just use my network whenever my phone is on flight mode. Here you can see here friends, it's working, isn't it? It's very good feature, isn't it friends? So was this trick cool friends? Share this video with your friends, and also when they irritate you, just put your phone on the flight mode and use your mobile data. And if you like this video, please go and hit the thumbs up button. You can subscribe to our channel KSTU by clicking on the icon. We make such videos for all of you, and until then keep watching KSTV.